Solid tips on dogs that anyone can easily understand. Dogs are truly the greatest creatures on earth. Whether or not you agree with my assessment, you must love them as you have arrived at this video, which gives you many tips and tricks regarding caring for a dog. Pet ownership is not easy, so continue watching this video to find out as much as you can. Brushing your dog's teeth is important, but it is not easy. If your dog is resisting, once a day simply lift their lips and use your finger to rub their teeth lightly. Do it quickly at first, and then begin to draw out the time you spent performing this action. This will help them get used to the process. After that, you can begin using an actual brush and toothpaste. Pick and choose when you are going to groom your dog. You do not want to attempt grooming when your pet is in a particularly frisky mood, because the process will not go well. Instead, do so only when your dog is calm and tired, like after you have taken him for an especially long walk. Talk to your vet about how much to feed your dog. Although some dog owners stick to the recommended guidelines on the dog food, these guidelines can often be too much for your dog, which can lead to obesity. Your vet will give you personalized advice. Keep your dog warm during winter with the latest in canine fashion and accessories. You may think it's just for show, but dogs need protection from the elements too. Keeping your dog's paw pads dry is essential to their health in sub-freezing weather, so invest in suede or leather footwear and pick him up a coat while you're at it. Make them instead if you are creative. If you're on a tight budget at home, think carefully before getting a dog. They actually cost hundreds of dollars annually, but many people don't realize this until they've actually forked over the money. Depending on the size and regular maintenance requirements of your new dog, you could be getting in way over your head and forced to part with him later, so make sure beforehand. Know your dog's behavior and body rhythms well, to keep him at his healthiest. Medical issues often present themselves in slight nuances early on, and if you know your dog, you'll see them. Pay attention to input and output, sleep duration, energy levels and so forth to keep on top of important issues that affect his health. Take your new dog to a vet. Make an appointment as early as possible. Your vet will provide a full checkup and establish vaccination dates. Also discuss with your vet about spaying or neutering your dog, because there is a problem of overpopulation of dogs in shelters. Now that you have all of these tips and tricks in mind, you are ready to make your dog's life better. It is up to you to use each tip one by one, changing your dog's lifestyle bit by bit. The more you do for your dog, the more he'll love you in return. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.